What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. It's Caribbean Ducks. Glad you can be here. Today I'm going to show you how I make this broccoli mushroom soup. Quick and easy, delicious Sunday soup. Keep watching. I'll show you how we do it. We're going to start with our ingredients. There's some baby portobello mushroom and our broccoli that we're going to cut into small pieces. We're going to go in with about 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince that. Going to go in with half of an onion, diced really small. Our celery sticks, also diced very small. And part of our trio that we make any soup with. This is the base for any soup. Our trio. And we're gonna go in with some thyme, some fresh basil from the garden. We're gonna go in with 1 medium-sized potato, diced into tiny little pieces. And our cheese, we're going with some Irish cheddar cheese, all natural. About a cup of that, grated. And we could use regular milk, whole milk, or some heavy cream. I'm going in with regular whole milk, a half a stick of butter. And we're gonna saute all our ingredients in the butter. Cook it down for a little bit, and then we're gonna add our 2 cups of milk or cream. Add our cheese to dissolve and mix well. A little bit of black pepper. And a cup of chicken broth. In goes our potato. We're gonna allow that to cook for a few minutes until it's nice and tender. Make sure to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn on the bottom. After a few minutes, we test our potato, make sure that it's nice and tender. And it's ready. And after giving it a couple of stir, we add our mushroom and broccoli back into the pot. Give it a good mix. Add some more liquid, which is about a cup more of milk. And we're gonna cook that down a little bit, let some of it evaporate for a few minutes. And now we're ready to plate. This is our wonderful mushroom broccoli soup. Hope you enjoy this quick and easy recipe. It's our Sunday soup that we're sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week and come back for more recipes like this.